How do I log into Xero for the first time? Ever felt like you're staring at a login screen, completely lost? You're not alone. Today, we're tackling the first hurdle for many businesses. Logging into Xero for the very first time. Let's dive in. So, you've heard the buzz about Xero. Maybe you're a freelancer looking for a simpler way to track invoices, or perhaps you're a small business owner ready to ditch the spreadsheets. No matter your reason, the first step is always the same. Logging in. Now, before we even touch the login button, let's talk about your Xero account. Did you create it yourself? Was it set up by your accountant? Understanding this will slightly alter our approach. If you created the account, you likely received an email confirmation. This email usually contains a temporary password and a link to your Xero organization. Click the link. This will usually take you directly to the Xero login page. Enter the temporary password. You'll be prompted to create a new, strong password. Choose something unique and memorable. Confirm your new password. Log in. It's as simple as that. You're now officially in your Xero account. If your accountant set up your Xero account, they might have provided you with login credentials. Visit the Xero login page. Enter the provided username and password. Log in. However, it's highly recommended that you change the initial password provided by your accountant. Once logged in, navigate to your user profile settings. Locate the Change Password option. Enter your current password and then create and confirm a new, strong password. This ensures the security of your Xero account. Now that we've successfully logged in, let's explore some common login issues you might encounter. Forgotten password? Don't panic. Xero has a dedicated Forgot Password link on the login page. Click the link and follow the on-screen instructions. You'll likely be asked to enter your registered email address. Xero will then send you a password reset link to your email. Click the link in the email and follow the prompts to create a new password. Login issues? Double-check your username and password. Ensure you're entering the correct information and that caps lock is not enabled. Clear your browser cache and cookies. Sometimes, outdated browser data can interfere with login attempts. Try a different browser. If you're using Chrome, try using Firefox or Edge. Contact Xero support. If all else fails, reach out to Xero's customer support team for assistance. Let's talk about security best practices. Use strong, unique passwords. Avoid using easily guessable information like birthdays or pet names. Consider using a password manager to generate and store strong passwords securely. Enable two-factor authentication, 2FA. 2FA adds an extra layer of security by requiring a second form of verification, such one as a code sent to your phone, in addition to your password. 2. Log out of Xero when you're finished. This prevents unauthorized access to your account if you're using a shared computer or device. Keep your browser and operating system updated. Software updates often include security patches that help protect your devices from cyber threats. By following these simple security tips, you can help keep your Xero account and your business data safe. Now, let's address some frequently asked questions. Can I log in to Xero on my phone or tablet? Absolutely. Xero offers a user-friendly mobile app available for both iOS and Android devices. What if I'm having trouble accessing my email? If you can't access the email associated with your Xero account, you'll need to contact Xero support to resolve the issue. Can I log in from multiple devices? Yes, you can log in to your Xero account from multiple devices. However, it's crucial to maintain good security practices, such as logging out of inactive sessions. Now, let's explore some advanced login features. Single sign-on, SSO. If your business uses other cloud-based applications, SSO can streamline your login process. SSO allows you to access multiple applications with a single set of credentials. Xero Touch ID/Face ID. If you're using a device with biometric authentication capabilities, you can enable Touch ID or Face ID for quicker and more secure logins. Let's talk about some common Xero login errors and how to troubleshoot them. Incorrect username or password. Double-check your credentials. Ensure you're entering the correct information and that caps lock is not enabled. Account locked. If you've entered incorrect login credentials multiple times, Your account may be temporarily locked for security reasons. Wait a few minutes and try again. If the issue persists, contact Xero support. Technical difficulties. Check your internet connection. Ensure you have a stable internet connection. Try a different browser or device. Check for any Xero system outages. You can usually find information about system outages on the Xero status page. Let's delve deeper into the importance of a strong password. What makes a strong password? A strong password is a combination of uppercase and lowercase letters, numbers, and symbols. It should be at least 12 characters long and difficult to guess. Password managers. Password managers can help you generate and store strong, unique passwords for all your online accounts. Let's explore some helpful resources. Xero Help Center. The Xero Help Center provides comprehensive documentation and support articles on a wide range of topics, including login issues and account security. Xero Community Forum. The Xero Community Forum is a great place to connect with other Xero users and find answers to your questions. Xero Support. If you're unable to resolve an issue on your own, you can contact Xero Support for assistance. Let's discuss some best practices for managing your Xero account. Regularly review your account activity. Monitor your account for any suspicious activity. Change your password regularly. Keep your contact information updated. Back up your data regularly. By following these best practices, you can ensure the security and integrity of your Xero account. Let's talk about the benefits of using Xero. Improved cash flow management, increased productivity, better financial insights, reduced administrative burden, improved collaboration with your accountant. With Xero, you can spend less time on administrative tasks and more time focusing on growing your business.